Okay guys, in today's video we're gonna build this, and not toy, we're gonna build it in real life. Okay guys, today I got this bike again. This is a Chinese bike, Hansun Cruiser, as you can see. It's good. So today we're gonna customize this bike, so I'm gonna start right now guys. So today I want to turn this to a chopper, cruise chopper. So let's do that guys. So what we're gonna be doing right now in this tutorial, we're gonna be first, I'm gonna put out this seat, and then we're gonna dismantle the back. We're gonna start chopping it bike off, and that's gonna look pretty good guys. Okay guys, so guys, I'm mounting out of this engine. This is a CG125 engine, so it's gonna suit the bike. So right now I'm mounting up the engine, right guys? So guys, today I'm chopping off this back. Right now I'm gonna chop off the back to shorten it right there. So now let's do that. Guys, so today I want to build the handlebar, which is the neck. So I got this bar say on the internet, so I'm just gonna do a copy from that, but I'm gonna build it myself guys with this pipe guys. So without further ado, let's do that.
Open wounds scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase the bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. Daunting though, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make one. Wanna reality. Don't make up.
from the past, won't escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. I can see my dreams. Reality. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud.
Today I got this thing done. Yeah, like you guys can see, the bike is so clean and it's pretty good, guys. Take a look at this guide, guys. I customized it myself. And the handlebar I got from the internet, I also customized that myself. This is the LB label. This is a label from Luben Custom, guys, as you can see. That's good. Please go down in the description and watch all the episode 1 to the last episode, guys, and you're gonna know how I build this from start to finish. See, that's also my gift racer. The link of that bike, that's also my custom make. I built it myself. So the link of the bike, how the full tutorial is gonna be down in the description, guys. You can still go and check that. And that's also the quad. This is an electric quad that I got from a customer. I want to customize this quad to become an engine quad, and the video is coming up next. I'm gonna start customizing this. That's why it's in the workshop right now. So guys, that's also gonna look pretty good. So if you are done, subscribe to the channel, so you're gonna be notified when I start doing that bike. Please don't just go like that. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop a video like this, guys. So